Once upon a time, in a lovely house with a big backyard, there lived a tiny Chihuahua named Vichy. Vichy was a happy pup who adored basking in the sun and listening to the cheerful birds. One beautiful day, as Vichy stepped into her backyard, her eyes sparkled with curiosity. There, perched on a tree branch, was Whiskers, the neighborhood cat.
Who are you? I'm Vichy. How about you? What's your name?
I'm Whiskers, the cat, and I like to explore the gardens.
Whiskers gracefully descended from the tree and approached Vichy with a friendly purr. Vichy's tail wagged and her heart warmed. That day, under the bright sun, Vichy and Whiskers decided to be the best of friends.